Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 9, Awakening by Light. This is the spiritual power of Buddhas, beating the drum of the great teaching, awakening all lands in the 10 directions, making all turn toward enlightenment. Independent power can act like this, without breaking the infinite boundaries, traveling through the billions of lands without attachment to any existent. Such is freedom like the Buddhas. The Buddhas are like space, ultimately forever pure. Those who rejoice in remembering this will fulfill all of their vows. In each and every one of the hells they pass innumerable eons. In order to liberate sentient beings, they are able to bear these pains, without begrudging body or life, always preserving the Buddha's teachings, with egoless mind harmonious. One can attain the enlightened way. Then the light beams passed 10 worlds and illuminated 100 lands in the eastern direction, also doing likewise in every other direction. In all of those worlds were 100 billion continents called Jambudvipa, and so on, including 100 billion heavens of the ultimate of form. Everything in all those realms was clearly revealed. In each of the Jambudvipa continents, the Buddha was seen sitting on a lotus-banked lion throne, surrounded by as many enlightening beings as atoms in 10 Buddha lands, and in each one, due to the spiritual force of the Buddha, 10 great enlightening beings from the 10 directions, each accompanied by as many enlightening beings as atoms in 10 Buddha lands, came to the Buddha. Those enlightening beings were called Manjushri, etc. The lands they came from were called golden, etc., and the Buddhas they served were called immutable knowledge, etc. Then the Manjushris in all those places, each in the presence of the Buddha in that place, all simultaneously spoke out, saying these verses. Buddha understands, things are like phantoms. Comprehending, he is unhindered. His mind is pure and free from attachments. He harmonizes and pacifies all beings. Some see him firstborn, his color like a mountain of gold. Living in his final body, he is forever a moon of humanity.